Today's tech tip goes over some tips and tricks for using Kahoot in the classroom successfully. I'll show you how to find pre-made games made by the Kahoot staff, how to duplicate existing Kahoots and adjust them for your own use, how to play a Jumble game, a very great trick for avoiding naughty nicknames, and the use of the random name generator. If you're new to Kahoot, please watch our detailed video below. Once you're logged into Kahoot, you can click on Find Cahoots. Many of us are used to searching for a topic up here about Kahoot, but did you know that down below here, they have pre-made games made by Kahoot staff, sorted by topic. So we've got some test prep, science and nature, computer science, math, science. So you could go in here, find a pre-made Kahoot, and use it in the classroom. Now I've already taken one of these pre-made Kahoots and clicked on it. There's 12 questions. I can click Show Answers, and I'm going to be looking at the questions they have. They've actually embedded some pictures. I can decide, well, this one's great, but it only has 12 questions, and I'd like to add 3 or 4 more. So I can take this Kahoot, and I can click Duplicate. And once I've duplicated it, it's in my list of Kahoots. It's now editable. I can go in, I can change the questions, I could add more answers, whatever I would like to do before I play it with my class. And now it's a draft. So I'll edit it, save it, and then publish it. Now I've come up to the top here, and I'm searching for a Jumble example to show you. So I have one here for elementary teachers that I'm going to click on. And what a Jumble does is most Kahoots are multiple choice, but what a Jumble Kahoot does is it makes you put them in order. I'm choosing the preview mode here so that you can see what it looks like from the student side and from the teacher side. Let me make sure that I have my name generator off. I'm going to click Classic. So we're going to play this Jumble game. As a student, I wait for that to come up, and I'm going to type in the code 82644313. Click Enter. In my classroom, I always make students use their first name, last initial. It's just kind of a default that we've done. Down here it says naughty nicknames beware. One click on your name and you're out of the game. So as the teacher, I could kick somebody out if I wanted to. I'll show you what happens when you do that. Notice that this is a green screen. I'm in. Green means go. Click Start. And I have to put these words in alphabetical order. So I have zebra, cat, dog, and apple. I'll drag those to order. Apple, cat, dog, zebra. So I can put them in order. I check it. Yes, it's correct. As the teacher, I'll click Next. And then it wants me to put numbers in order from least to greatest, given that this is an elementary example. So 107, 170, 1007, and 1700, and then I check it. And that's how a Jumble Kahoot works. So how do we spot the students that use the naughty nicknames? They're supposed to start with their first name dot last name in my class, but maybe they don't. Maybe I'm going to put a naughty nickname there. So I have a naughty nickname. The teacher is going to kick me out by clicking on it. The student over here then has to retype the code to get in. And I'm going to put in my nickname like my teacher has asked me to. But notice this. I'm in, but my screen is now red. And as the teacher, before you start the game, you can walk around the room and the students that you've kicked out, their screens will be red. So you'll have a pretty good idea of who put in those nicknames. Now the final tip for today has to do with game options and the random name generator. So I can do a name generator and I can choose to randomize their name generation. They're pretty interesting ones they come up with. So as the student, my game's going to start. I'm going to type in my code, 7754500. Click Enter. And now I'm going to spin the wheel and it's going to give me an example of a nickname. I might be the Stellar Cheetah. I actually kind of like that. But if I didn't like it, I could spin it again. And now I'm Super Fox. I could spin it again And then I have no more spins. I'm Hero Fox. So I'm going to click on OK Go. I'm stuck. There we go. I am now Hero Fox. I only get 3 chances. But that's one way that you can quickly generate random names and play Kahoot. The resource I used in creating this video was from Ditch That Textbook and a blog post. Check out our T3 video playlist and subscribe to our EdTech channel. Have a great day.